Hello students, in this video we will talk about operators, and in this video we are going to discuss about arithmetic operators, relational operators and logical operators. So in the previous video we have discussed about operators. If you have not seen that video, please go through this link and you can watch the video. So first one is arithmetic. In arithmetic we have 5 operators. So this is addition, means it will add two values. 5 plus 2 is 7. This is subtraction. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. These are normal operators as you have studied in mathematics also. Multiplication 2 into 3 is 6. Now this operator is known as the modulus operator, and the work of this operator is it gives you remainder. Okay, so 15 modulus 4, the remainder will be 3. 25 modulus 6, the remainder is 1. So this operator is used to give the remainder. Next is the division operator. This operator gives you quotient. It means 25 divided by 6 is 6 4 ja 24. So it used to give only quotient. 15 divided by 4, the quotient will be 3. Now come to the relational operator. It is used to compare two values, and it used to give the result either true or false. Okay, now have a look on these operators. 5 greater than 3. Now tell me, is 5 greater than 3? If yes, then it gives true. If no, then false. So 5 is greater than 3. Yes, 5 is greater than 3. So the result of this expression is true. Next is 7 less than 5. Tell me, is 7 less than 5? No. So answer will be false. 7 greater than is equal to 5. Now greater than and greater than is equal to, the difference is here only we are considering the greater value. Here we are considering greater as well as equal value also. So is 7 greater than is equal to 5? Yes. So the answer is true. Next, 5 less than is equal to 5. Now tell me, is the value of 5 less than is equal to 5? Of course yes. It is not less than but equals to. So if it is either less or equal to 5, then it gives you true. So the now answer is true. Next is equals to. If we want to compare two values, then we will use equals to operator. 7 is equals to 5. Is the value 7 is equal to 5? No. So it gives false. 7 is equals to 7. Yes, the value, this and this both are same, equal. So the answer is true. Just opposite of this operator is not equals to. 10 does not equals to 5. Is the value 10 not equals to 5? Yes, of course. Both are unequal. So it gives you true. If both are equal, then false. If not equal, then true. Okay students. Now if you have any doubt, wherever you are getting any doubt, you can type the doubt in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you are understanding then please like and share the video with your friends. Okay, let's move to next operator, which is logical operator. Logical operator is used for complex decision making. It means when we want to take decision on the basis of many conditions, then we will go for logical operator. Now in this video we will just go with basics of logical operator. First, these logical operator gives result either true or false, and the operand will also be either true or false. It means we can say these operator accept boolean type value and gives us boolean type value. Okay, so first operator is and or. First let us discuss about these two. And operator will give true only when both operands are true. And operator will give you true only when both operands are true. Otherwise it gives false. Otherwise it gives false. Whereas OR operator will give you false when both operands are false. Otherwise means if any operand becomes true, then the answer will be true. Now again one more time I am explaining. AND operator will gives you true if both operands are true, otherwise false. It means if any of the operand is false, it gives false. Just opposite in the case of OR operator, if both the operands are false, then the result will be false. If any of the operand is true, then the result will be true. Next operator is NOT operator. Not X. Not X means here you have to write your operand. So if this operator also logical operator, so X value can be true or can be false. If X is true, then it will make it false. If false, then it will make it true. Means it just give you opposite result. If the operand is true, then false. If the operand is false, then the answer will be true. And this NOT operator, among all these operators, NOT operator comes under the category of unary operator. Why? Because NOT operator requires only one operand. Thank you students. In this video we are stopping here. Hope you like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Jai Hind.